I tell her she my bestie, bestie, she my bestie. Say that we're too friendly, friendly, we're too friendly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna recreate this Jennifer Winget look, which is from the serial Bepanah, and I'm gonna start with the foundation. And you can see my foundation is giving me really tough time. I don't know why this Maybelline Satin foundation made me look ashy. I will fix that up in later part, you will see that, but I think this is due to the tan, and yeah, I'm looking a little ashy, but any which ways, move. And next I'm gonna apply Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying on my lid as well as under eye, nose and forehead, and just gonna blend everything in with this damp beauty blender, which you will see me in doing. And this foundation does oxidize after a certain time, guys, so I'm just leaving it like this because it's gonna change completely. And I'm gonna set it with the compact powder on all over the place where I have used concealer. And the next step, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, which is from Maybelline. I'm going to pick up this taupey color and apply all over my eyelid, as she has no heavy makeup going on, but there is a tint of brownish color. So I'm going to pick up this brick color from Aliexpress palette and apply all over my eyelid and spread evenly, like blend it evenly basically, and make sure that there is no harsh line, and then it looks like a tinted lid, which is, I like it. Pick up this golden shimmery shade and apply under my eyebrow just to enhance that. Then I'm going to use this eyebrow stylish kit from Essence. I'm picking up light brown shade, as she has very light eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go with a very light hand. Once my eyebrow is done, I'm gonna move forward with the next step, which is the eyeliner. She has no black liner, so I wanted to go with a lighter brown shade, but then I thought, let me give it a try with this eyeliner, as I had it new in stock, so I wanted to give it a try, but I'm totally not impressed with liner. So I'm going to pick up this brown eyeshadow and fill it in where I need to. And now I'm going to pick up these three shades from the same palette and apply on my lower lash line. And also, she's not wearing any fake lashes or any heavy mascara, so I went with a very light-handed again. I'm using this Essence waterproof mascara, and this is how it looks. I really like it. And then moving forward, I'm gonna go with this blusher. She has got flawless skin, guys, so I'm gonna go with this blusher. I actually went little overdue, so which I'm gonna bring it down. I look like rosy cheeks, so I'm gonna bring it down. And I'm using this MyGlamm palette, as I told you earlier. This is my favorite palette, and I'm gonna take little, like really little amount of highlighter, apply very lightly all over my face, very lightly. And to finish this look, I'm gonna use Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 07, and this is the exact shade what she's wearing. It's a beautiful pinkish neutral shade, and yeah, with that this look gets completed. And this look is wearable, guys, like you can really wear it in any functions, guys. And yeah, do let me know what you think about this look, and I totally enjoyed recreating her look. I hope I did justice, and I'm nowhere close to her. She is amazingly gorgeous, she's super beautiful, but yes, I wanted to give it a try as you guys suggested to me. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in some other video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.